Take a moment to check out the 2022 GMC Sierra HD. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this seriously strong GMC Sierra HD, the heavy-duty workhorse pickup designed to handle the biggest towing and hauling jobs. Gas and diesel powertrains and a host of options are available to let you make this practical, versatile truck everything you want it to be. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, bed liner, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio. Feel the confidence to take on the big jobs in this super strong Sierra HD. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.